Your own rule. Okay, on number 19. Doing this, not 19, 39. Doing this traditionally, you would have to plug in the 2 into it, right? And when you do, eventually you'll get 0 over 0. In that case, we're going to use L'Hopital's rule. And that states, limit as x approaches to 2. I'm going to actually plug in the 2 into this right here. F of 2 is equal to natural log of 2. Is natural log of 2 a number or a variable?
A number.
It is a number. So if I derive this right here, it is 0. Do we agree on that?
Yeah.
Then I have minus f prime of x, because we're deriving that piece. On the bottom, the only thing I can derive is 1x, which is 1. So now let's plug in the 2 into it. We're going to plug it into f prime of x. And we know our f prime of x is 1 over x, right? Notice that negative in front. So we have minus 1 over 2 all over 1, which that really doesn't matter. So we have negative 1/2. So if you have the trick behind it, go ahead and use it. But I'm going to stick with this one.
I'll explain that.
All right, moving on to number 40. Is that right? 40, yes. Because we're all allergic to our sine and cosine, maybe?
Yep.
Oh. All right. It says to find the slope of the line that is tangent to. Let's go ahead and derive this piece. What is the derivative of the left side?
dy over dx.
Yep, just 1 dy over dx. You don't have to write the 1. On the next piece, we get, when I derive this guy right here, when the 2 comes down, it's going to eliminate with the bottom as well, right? So could I just write x? Yep. And then we have minus 2. The derivative of sine is what? Just cosine, so no cone. And because we're dealing with something with the y, we need dy over dx. Okay, I want to go ahead and make dy over dx by itself. Let's move this guy. Do you need all the steps, or can I just go in one go? Just go? All right, just go. dy over dx is equal to x all over 1 plus 2 cosine of y. If you want to add 2 cosine y, dy over dx, factor out dy over dx, divided by that component, go for it. What's up?
Can you do the smaller steps?
Oh,
I
okay. 1 dy over dx. We're going to add this guy, okay? Plus 2 cosine y dy over dx is equal to x. And then you factor out dy over dx, which remains 1 plus 2 cosine y that is being divided. Do we need that step too?
no, yeah, I got it.
Okay, we're good? All right, so now we're going to plug in our numbers. It says my x is 2. So we have 2 over 1 plus 2 cosine of y. And that y is 0. What is a cosine at 0?
1.
That is 1. Very good. So that's going to give us 2 over 3. And voila. All good?
Yep.
Can I stop recording?
Yep.
All right.